Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like to discover your very own superpower? The one that you've already had, but just didn't know how to unleash it onto the world? Book your free slot at ldlcall.com or send me a text message on 07801 543 515. This is the Learn and Live 1 Minute of Motivation, and here is your quote for today. Be young, be foolish, be happy. You only live once, so you really need to enjoy every second you have of it. Try and stay young at heart. Have those silly times, but most important, be happy. So many chances and opportunities can appear with the right mindset. Take every opportunity like it was the last and enjoy each second and every minute and every day. Just be you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.